Can you help me with the first one? This one. This one. Can you help me with this one? Tell me this is equals to what? This is equals to 1. Okay, this one done. This one done. Can we simplify the inside? X can cancel?
No.
Cannot. Y can cancel?
No. Yes.
Can totally, right? Totally. So I cancel. Cancel, cancel. So I'm left with Z. I'm left with Z. Z. Look at the Z. This is negative 2. Can I bring up? Bring up become positive. Oh, so I will write down what I understand. This will be 2xz square close negative 3. Okay? Okay, my next question. What's up already? Okay. Okay, now minus 3. So this is over 1. This is over 1. If I have the minus, what does it mean? Flip. So this one will be bracket 1 over 2xz square 3. What does the 3 means? Do I only cube the last one or cube all?
Cube all.
Oh, cube all. So then this will be 1 cube is still 1. 2 cube x cube z 6. Answer? Huh? 2 cube is what? 8. So you just simplify the answer. Can follow? So this is the answer, yeah? 11. Is 10b okay? 10b is fine, huh? What's the answer for 10b? 3 square. Is it 9? 9. Yeah? So I'll go through 11. 11a. 11a. Y very proportional to x squared. Whoa. This is an old school question. Do you still remember this symbol? No, do you remember? Okay, I use I use red pen to tell you that I need to revise. I need to revise. Do you remember direct? If I direct means y equals to what? K x squared. If I have indirect equals to what? Y equals to K over x squared. Okay? So that's what it means by direct indirect. Okay, let's begin. So I will start with what are the steps? Now this is again another old school kind of question. Seldom come out already. But still we do. First step. Make K the subject. So I will use this equation and then I will follow. Travis, can we start? So make K the subject. What is K? K equals to what? Y over x squared. So this is the first step. Second step, write down the new condition. What are the new condition? This one like the alpha, beta, new root, old root like that. What is half? X is half. So now x equals to what? Half of x. Or you want to write x over 2, up to you. Then you want to find what? No. The x now, okay. I use don't equal. I use the arrow. X change to half x. I haven't mentioned about the square yet. What do they want to find? Find new what? Very good. Find the new y. Ready? Rahul, go and wash your face. Then help me fill water. You tired, right? No. Okay. You're listening, Okay. So x now changes, and then I want to find new y's. Now what we do is I want to sub. Why is it red? I want to sub k and x inside. No one stop me. I use this one wrong. It should be using which one? This one. Because the question say inversely or they say inversely. Okay. I change a bit. I change using red pen. So inverse means indirect. It means this one. So it doesn't mean this one. So when I come over here, this one I cancel again. So what should be the answer? K equals to what? K equals to x square y or yx squared. Okay, so let's continue. Same thing. My x now changed to half. I need to find the new y. I want to sub the k and the x inside. Inside which equation? Let me highlight the equation. Inside this equation. Ready? Let's start. Okay, so sub back into this. Sorry. I highlight the wrong one again. Sub back into this equation. So I sub back into this equation. Let's start. Now, so what do I write? Y is still y because I don't know. K is what? X square y. So I write x square y. Do you follow? Divide. What is x square? Half. What is x square? Half x. So this is x over 2 whole thing square. Do you follow? Where do I get this equation? I write in red. This is from y equals to k over x squared. So I highlight again. This k is the x square y. This k is the x square y. Can't really see, I use another color. This x is the x over 2. Do you follow? Yeah, I need to simplify. Ready to simplify? So I use my blue pen again. I try to simplify. This will be x square y. This one will be what? X square over 4. Bring up the 4, right? The 4 will be on top. Can I cancel the x square? Can. So I cancel the x square and the 4 goes up. And then my answer will be 4y. This is y. To make things less confusing, what are you talking about? Y equals to 4y. This y on the left hand side is new or old?
New.
This is the new, this is the old, this is the new, this is the, everything here is old. So actually I'm trying to tell you that the new y is 4 times the old y. Follow so far? Again, the new y is 4 times the old y. Now go back. I want you to make use of these two steps. Make k the subject. Then later on, use the new condition sub inside. Then you find the cancel. Usually can cancel one. Now, based on this, how do you describe in words? Ian, the new y is 4 times the old y. No, don't let k equal to something. Don't, because the k, the value, I don't know. I myself don't know what's the value of k. Don't random. So describe in words. How do you describe in words? Explain the effect on the value of y. So you can write down the new value of y is 4 times the original or the old value. That's the effect, right? The effect is 4 times value of y. So this is the describe. They draw a lot of dotted lines for you to write down. So this is how you describe. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Let me zoom out. Let me see. So where are we now? This is done, this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. 11 got B also, Okay, let me go to B. What is B? If x cubed or h are fastened together, find x. With a h. What is x? is the number of cube. H is 4 cm. So let us go on to B. So this is 4, this is 4, this is 4. How many do we have? How many do we have? How many do we have? X. Okay, so my question is if this is 1 cube, what is the length? 4. What is the breadth? 4. What is the height? 4. Can follow? Now, if I have 2 of these, is it enough to make a cube? How many do I need? At least what? 6. Wrong. 4. I need 4. Do you follow 4? Okay, I draw out for you. To make a cube. Yeah, I need 8. Correct. You are right. I need 8. This is 8. Is this 8? So 1, 2, 3, 4 behind 1, 2, 3, 4 all together 8. Now, if 1 cube itself is 4, can you tell me the length? So this one will be what? 8 times 8 times 8. Do you follow? 4, 4. So 4, 4 together is 8. 4, 4 together is 8. The height again is 4, 4. So all together 8, 8, 8. Now what is the question? They tell you how many are there. They tell you how many are there. X number. But they tell you the final cube is how many? 20 by 20 by 20. My question is, how many cubes are there in the front row? Very good. There are 5 cubes. So there are 5 cubes. How many cubes are there in the slant row, in the breadth? 5. Why 5? All cubes are the same, So there are 5 here. Then on top, also 5. But 5 times 5 times 5 is wrong. How many? It should be a 4, not a 5. Do you follow? Why is it so strange? Now let me draw a cube. Yeah, because the corner cube is the same cube. Do you follow?
Yeah, so that means the addition.
Okay, let me draw the first layer. First layer is definitely 5 times 5, right? 5 times 5. So this one is 5 cubes. Then this is 1 cube. This is 5 cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, my drawing not so good. So altogether, this is how many cube? 20, 25. Do you follow? How many rows do I have? 4 or 5? There are 5 rows, right? So over here, there is 5 rows. So correct what? So it's 5 times 5 times 5 what? Why do you say 5 times 5 times 4? Or I say, right? I'm trying to confuse you, right? So is it 5 times 5 times 5 or 5 times 5 times 4? Okay, understand my logic. There are 25 cubes here. How many rows do I have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rows, right? Correct. So the answer is 5 times 5 times 5. Does it make sense? They say form a cube. Yeah. Do you understand this? Try to understand in terms of logic. Some of you shaking your head. Why is it confusing? Can you ask me? Is it confusing? No, x equals to 5 wrong. X equals to number of cubes. How many cubes do I need? 125. So this is x. This is the x. Can follow? Who cannot follow, try and ask me question, then I can try to answer you. Nothing. 6%. Almost dying. What's the next question? 12C. Okay, 12C. England made up of this number of voters.